มื้อนี้เดินทางผู้เดียวมื้อนี้นะเพราะว่าภรรยาเพิ่นได้เป็นแม่เฒ่าแล้วซะให้เพิ่นเบิ่งหลานก่อนนิดนึงเพราะหาก็ได้หลานเนาะอ่า so บ่อยากให้เพิ่นมีโอกาสที่ว่าจะติดเชื้อจังซั่นเพราะว่าหลานเฮายังน้อยอยู่ so today I'm on the road by myself and
In 1,000 feet, use the left lane to exit left to I-710 North, Pasadena.
so my wife's staying behind because we just become a grandparents and I just don't want to take the chance for her to be exposed to other people yet so that way
Exit
it's
left to I-710 North,
safety for the
Pasadena.
baby เดี๋ยวนี้กำลังหาก็ลงตัวให้มาเนาะมาพอดีมาออกใส่บนเพียงสีงามอย่างนี้ so I just came down from the mountain right here so I was on that road for a few actually about an hour so this is the end of the mountain range you can see that now it's all farmland อีกประมาณชั่วโมงครึ่งเนาะพอดีไปฮอด I'm about hour and a half away from my destination here so the Sukswat farm กำลังสีฮอดแล้วเนาะเดี๋ยวนี้เนาะเดี๋ยวนี้ก็พอดี2 โมงเย็นเนาะ It's almost 10 minutes to 2 right now so I'm a few minutes away from my destination we are coming up to the farm now พอดีมาฮอดเนาะฮอดสวนเฮาละฮอดฟาร์มเฮาละโอ้ดีเด้เอาไว้จะให้เพิ่นมาเปิดประตูให้กันเสร็จแล้วสุขสวัสดิ์ฟาร์มซื้อแต่ปี 2014 เนาะเดือน 1We got a young lady from New York State.
Take your mask off.
Yeah.
Don't let her hear you.
Take your mask off.
Yeah, you can take your mask off. Yeah.
You don't let her hear
Yeah.
you.
So tomorrow we're gonna start driving down, 10:30. So we that
Eager to see
so that way you can see all the you know.
It's so interesting here.
So you having fun so far?
No,
I see you were holding a shotgun. I mean, you holding a shotgun. You were holding some.
I'm like holding marijuana. I'm like, what did you do? with your-
Yeah. My God! All this time I was telling you how good my mother is.
You see another picture that she holding
The shotgun, yeah. No, I didn't want to post that one. The next day, what kind of mother do you have?
you can blame all that on up.
And I just want people to know this is my family. Starting with that's my mother. Okay. And we have my brother here. Brian, his son-in-law. My niece. Brian, Natasha. I don't know who that is. Pick him up today.
Doesn't belong here.
And my younger sister. Okay. Kami. And my nephew here. Tell him your name.
Matthew.
Matthew. You know why I say that? Because I couldn't recognize. I couldn't remember? No. I'm only kidding. I'm sorry. I remember. All right. So we're going to do a shot here.
I'm eating kapun.
Here's my older sister.
Yeah, unang make kapun hai. It's good.
It's good?
With blood.
Oi. And here's the
เดี๋ยวแม่กินแค่ข้าวซอยดิบมันละลานนี่
นั่นน่ะข้าวซอยสดเนาะ
ข้าวซอยซอสเจันทอดมาให้เมื่อกี้นี่กี้กินละลานี่ให้บอกนี่
You know, either I'm getting old or something else happening because I'm going to drink with my nephew right now. Holy crap.
again, Andrew? Oh,
This is my nephew, okay? It seems like yesterday he's about, what, a foot long. But look at
Now look
today.
at me.
Look at him. He got
All tall now.
all tall. Second year in college already.
Zoom in on his
And
mustache.
I know. I didn't have a mustache.
Facial hair.
Tell the people out there they don't know who you are. So tell them your name.
I'm Andrew Veronic, and I go to Clarkson University in New York State.
I mean, Andrew.
Yeah.
And who are you to him?
I am his nephew, and I'm going to take a shot with him of Hennessy.
Look at that. Oh gosh, I'm drinking with my nephew. Can you imagine that?
You can. Mark, your hand, the tie hand, so.
Here you go, Brian.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. So,
California.
yeah.
Cheers, Andrew.
Oh, yeah.
Old Hennessy.
That's it. One for me, that's good enough. So I can see that my, my sister and brother, they're gonna head up to Vegas tonight. Man, that's 5 hours from here. So, and here's my niece-in-law. She want to be
featured.
So. You going to? Yeah. Okay. All right. I probably won't see you guys when you come back, man. Okay. I won't see you guys when.
Okay, I know. I see. If I win, I'll stay in
Yeah.
San Francisco.
Okay, me if I don't
San
see you.
Diego.
I love you. Yeah.
And then I'll send the ticket for Michael.
Yeah. I won't let it go until to summer.
Good luck.
Yeah. Maybe longer.
We're gonna do side bet.
Okay. Go ahead.
We're gonna do side bet.
She might not want to stay that long.
Doesn't matter.
That'll be good.
Yeah. Because she can stay as long as she wants.
I
We
know.
got everything set up.
I don't know. She didn't bring enough clothes.
No, we're gonna go back.
shopping.
No, I told her not to bring a lot, so we go shopping.
Not bring a lot.
hours
She
in?
bring her suitcase.
Yeah, so that way she can,
Yeah.
Oh.
you can take her go by.
I know, Brian, how close to the gas station? You want to go fill up?
Oh, there's one.
No, on the way out there should be a gas station. Just let them know.
109.
One?
I mean 409.
Oh, I was like, that is not gas.
But can I use a card?
Inside, I
Yeah.
think you can.
Go get
Doesn't work.
Okay, that's fine. No, it's still good. It's still really clear. Oh, everyone is excited. Who's going to go? Huh? You gonna go to Vegas too? You gonna go to Vegas too? Yeah, you are. Oh, what are you gonna do over there?
Late at night, I plugged a computer.
Yeah?
Play computer games? Well, late at night.
Late at night, yeah. Where? Paris?
Khử được ăn tính năng đông nhà mẹ.
I think
Alright, we on the way to Vegas.
Okay. Have fun. Hi, Chair. First time in Vegas, huh? First time going to Vegas. Have fun. Okay. I see you, okay? So everybody's going over there, so it's going to be my mother left alone, and then we're going to drive back tomorrow to San Diego. All right, Tash. It's good to have you here.
Likewise, thank you.
Okay.
I'll come back.
Yeah, definitely. Wait, where you going? You're not going to go to Vegas, are you?
that's
You're
right,
going to go with me.
I don't want to go to Vegas.
Yeah. All right. So before they head out to Vegas, so we're gonna do a family photo first. Go, King, go over there. Look, go over there. All right. Look at this one first. Yeah. Hang on. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So they're taking 3 cars all together. Okay, 1 minivan. And you got 1 car there, and you got another SUV here. So they're gonna head out to Las Vegas tonight. Why? That's 5 hours from here. Okay, bye. Drive safe. Okay, I'll see you. Bye. All right.
Wish us luck. Hope we win a lot of money.
Yeah. Don't lose a lot of money.
I would never lose a lot of money. I would never lose a lot of money.
have some get more than give me some go
Uh-huh.
buy
Yeah.
I know that go they're gonna follow you
Yeah. Okay. You too. Have fun. Have fun. I'll see you.
I will see you
Enjoy your summer.
I will see you until you come home
โอ้ฟ้ากำลังงามอีกเนาะสีมันนะ
สี่ของงามฟ้าลมดีได้บ่มีลมมื้อ
Yeah,
นี้
money. Yeah, it's really nice. Look at the sky. Nice color today. So, yo. All right. Yeah.
Should I close the door
No, you won't be
No,
able
one
to.
more.
You one more here.
go look
Okay. One more car to go. All right, Lee. Your turn to go. Come on.
go by your house I know okay then go in a hurry be careful think about it
Have a good time. See you next time.
Bye. Well, she's gonna stay with me, so you guys can come down to San Diego, okay? Bye bye. All right, have fun. Make sure you guys keep them safe.
think about the orchard inside
Yeah.
what are you looking for
All right, late starter. Couldn't figure out how to drive this car yet. Bye bye.
oh in Malik no พอดีเดี๋ยวได้วันมอกับคำแรกกับบักแอร์ขึ้นมารถคันนี้แล้วก็เรียกเลยวันมา
Okay, bye, Anna.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Well, today is a Sunday morning, and I'm happy to say that we are on the trip back home. And look who I got with me in the car. Huh? And she's so excited. By the way, this is the first time that she's on time for over 40 years. Okay?
We're 9 minutes late.
Yeah, 9 minutes late. Normally it would be 2.5 hours late. So, but we good. We're doing really well today. Look at that mountain, huh?
Having to climb on foot.
Yeah.
Watch out vehicle on shoulder ahead.
So what do you think of this mountain?
Me?
Yes.
I think they're fantastic.
Yeah, waiting for springtime. That's when you get all this flower blossom over here. Yeah. She's so happy to see the Pacific Ocean here. Look. So.
Even the girls are enjoying the view.
Was that exciting?
Everything is wonderful. This is a fantastic experience for me.
I'm glad you can feel that way. I'm glad you feel that way, which is good. So I'm glad you feel that way.
I'm so delighted.
We stopped at the viewing point here so she can see the Pacific Ocean for the first time. So she's enjoying it, which is really good.
So beautiful. No wonder they thought it was Pacific.
Yeah.
They got a rude awakening when they started to sail very far. But right here it looks like calm, wonderful.
Yeah. So we made it home. Come on. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Thank you.
Okay. Come on. Okay. Yeah. You got that one? So let's see. Yeah, go. Come on. We are home now, so careful.
Where is it? Which one is it? That one?
This one right here, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Come on. Can you walk? Can you walk that by yourself?
Oh, so lovely. Oh, dear. I'm so happy to be here. Okay.
Hi, nice to meet you.
That's the Binley.
My
Binley.
son, Binley Kitsada.
Nice to meet you. Hi.
Alright, go home. Just make sure you tell her about the step on both sides. Look.
Yeah. Watch your
Okay.
step.
Watch your step there. And that's another real plant with that real flowers. Yeah. See?
Real plastic flowers.
Yeah. And that's your basil. That's a Laotian basil there.
Alive.
Yeah. We got more. I got more.
Beautiful, really?
Yeah, yeah. See this other one?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. And this is look. This is
What's that, dear?
smell it.
Oh, it smells good.
What's that smell like?
Even I can smell it.
Yes,
It
what
must
is
have
it?
a very strong flavor.
It's a basil.
Oh,
That's
looks
a Laotian basil.
It looks so good.
And this is the Italian basil. This is
Was
the
that
one.
basil?
Yeah, this is Italian basil. Smell that one.
Everything.
Yeah, smell that one. It's different.
That's nice.
Which one you like better?
I think the lime.
No, this is the Laotian. This is Laotian basil.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was I thought it was a lime or
No,
something.
no.
No. Oh, it's a Laotian basil. It's
Yes.
strong.
Yes.
Nice.
And that one?
Oh.
Yeah, that one you buy. Yeah, this is the one that they sell in a supermarket.
Oh.
See, it's not that. So,
You've really done a marvelous job, dear. Marvelous job.
this video, it looks like you're in a jungle.
This is really a banana
Yes,
tree?
yeah, that's a banana
I've
plant.
never
Yeah.
seen a banana tree before.
See, look like a tropical, right? Look at the green
like
color.
what?
It look like you're in a tropical climate here. You got banana tree sitting right under banana tree. Really nice. Get this out for you. You need a little stool upstairs so you can put your shoes on easier. Should be really nice and warm, okay? Look at that. Feel that?
Oh, nice.
And you can walk around the house with this.
Nice. Good.
Make sure.
น้องก็มักก็แต่ว่ามีคู่เดียวซื้อให้เพิ่นซะ
Nice.
Get this wood. So you don't have to wear this. So you feel
He's a good worker. I think you should keep him.
yes
Now do you feel warm already? You said doesn't
What,
it feel
darling?
doesn't it feel warm, the other foot?
What?
The other foot, this one, doesn't it feel warm already? Does it get warm?
Oh, well, it will get that way.
Yeah. I mean, it feels warm.
That's so nice. And they're pretty, too.
Yeah, yeah. Try to walk on that a little bit.
Nice.
Try to walk a little bit.
Yeah.
Comfortable? Comfortable? Are you still
Oh, yes, oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I won't slip with these.
Yeah, yeah. As long as you're comfortable.
So nutty.
So this is how we do it when we toast. It's always to your good health.
To your good
Oh,
health.
to your good health, Granny
Yeah.
Johnson.
I heard that how many years now? Almost probably 40 years.
Yeah.
In 1980.
Yeah.
41.
You made this drink popular for this house.
Yeah.
Because he would tell me about it all the time. Paul would tell me, and so I'm happy to do this with you.
I'm glad.
The original Paolo Rossi.